Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike out here on Toledo Bend Lake, making another video today. Got the Missy boat out here, taking the Buccaneer motor for a run. She's a beauty. She's restore number 170, a 1956 Gale Buccaneer, 5 horsepower, 5D12B. For James in North Carolina. You've been following the episodes on her. She come in damaged, had to replace a bunch of parts, had multiple problems with her, but I think I got her put together perfectly. Ran great in the barrel, repainted, everything redone on her. Let's take her for a run and see how she does this morning. All right. Out here on the water runner, she idles great. Idles great, pushing my Missy boat about 8 miles an hour. She's a beauty. Let's give her a run. It gets damaged, I won't be happy. So we might have to freight ship it. I run her about 10 minutes. She runs good. Try to get her to idle a little better. Work on the idle a little bit of a video some more. Adjusted the low speed idle. She's idling better now. There's reverse. Alright, I got the idle adjusted down to good now. Yeah, that's much better. Another 10 or 15 minutes. I've been on the water about 20 minutes with her, pumping good water. Nice little 5 horsepower, about 8 miles an hour. Stopped her and started her several times. She's trustworthy. Jim said he wanted just a trustworthy motor. I love what I do. She was a challenge. She had damaged in shipment, stern bracket, tiller handle, gas tank. I had ignition problems, water pumping problems, just about everything you want to know I had with this motor. But when it turns out like this, it makes it all worthwhile. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Let's take her on in. so here we go. Looking at the damage. Got a cracked the steering handle is damaged. You can see the damage right there. So this steering handle got to be replaced, and this is broken off, which is the whole stern bracket right here. This whole stern bracket's got to be replaced. I'm gonna start taking her apart now. Got some dents right here. This gas tank has been pushed in. Gas cap is broken. Terrible. And this is all needs to be, so the whole gas tank got to be replaced. So I'm gonna start looking for parts right now. Hey, you want to win a free prize? That's right, Team Mike's giving away free prizes. All you got to do is go to Team Mike's website, teammikevintageoutboards.com. The link is below, and find the link for Team Mike's trivia quiz. There'll be a trivia quiz question on there, all about vintage outboard motors. Just answer the question and click submit, and at the end of the month, put your name in the hat, make a drawing. Whoever's got the first correct answer wins a prize for that month. All right. On the form, also, when you get there, at the bottom, it's got a section for a message. It says, talk about your vintage outboard motor or your experience with Team Mike. So if you want to put some personal details down there, I might read a few of them out during the live stream. So Win your monthly free prize, no cost. Just go to T Mike's website, tmikesvintageoutboard.com, click on T Mike's Trivia Quiz, and answer the question. Here we go. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. If you did, hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button and catch all my videos. You know, my passion are these vintage outboard motors. Johnson and Evinrude, 1950s, 60s, and 70s, 3 horsepower to 18 horsepower. I think I have all the videos, over 500 videos, on everything you need to know to repair, service, and restore your vintage outboard motors. I have all the parts, all the videos, and all the parts manuals for you to do that. I love what I do. The best way to reach me is on my website, tmikesvintageoutboards.com. You go to that website, I have links for everything you need. I have links for all the parts you need. If you don't know the parts you need, there's a link called the Parts Broker where you can fill out the form and submit it to me, and I'll find your part for you. All right. I also have a link for a mail-in repair service where you can ship me your carburetor, your gear case, or your magneto. I'll repair it, video it, put it on YouTube, and ship it back to you. I also have a link for technical consulting. If you have a question, just fill out the link. There's a donation page if you want to help pay T Mike, and I'll answer your question and get back to you. That's the best way to reach me, is on my website, tmikesvintageoutboards.com. I love what I do. It's been a great ride, and remember, always remember and never forget, here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.